Welcome to another video. So this is going to be a really short video. I just wanted to show how it came out. So I've had other BMWs and seems like they could design something a little bit better, but as you can see here, the armrest just looks like crap, and it looks that way after a few years. So this one, like 2 years ago, I bought dye and patch for it, and I spent a lot of time. I sanded it and patched it, sanded it, patched it, dyed it, and it looked good. But 2 years, you see, it's right back. So I got these covers. Now I've seen just plain plastic covers, but these are like a cloth, and they seem to be a lot better. I thought the plastic ones looked kind of cheesy, like they were a little cheap quality. So I got these off of eBay, and I'll leave a link in there so you can see where I got them. They have double-sided tape on the one side, and they fit pretty good. You know, it fits really nice on there. They come straight from China. Took about probably 2 weeks to get them, but I think it's a big improvement. Have them in all different colors, and there's other black trim in here, as you can see, so I figured I'd try black and see how that looked. I figured the beige would probably, I was worried, might show some dirt. Like I said, just a quick video. We got tons of videos on BMWs and other vehicles, so subscribe and take a look at some of our other stuff, and hope this gives you some kind of idea about how to fix it. Thank you for watching, and you have a pleasant day.